want this. Hello, Sparkles. I am Estella and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to make new Cutout Evelyn trend. First, click on your second clip and find Freeze and click on it. Then click on Overlay so it comes down as an overlay. Make it a little short and place it at the end of first clip like I did. It should not come at the start of second clip. Now make a split in between so it get cut and make the first overlay 0.6 and second one 0.2. Now click on first overlay which is 0.6. Click on remove background. Click on auto removal and if you don't have Pro then you can use custom removal. It just takes some time. Remove background for next overlay also which is 0.2. Then come to first overlay and zoom it in a little. Then make a duplicate of it and apply it just below it. It should not come below second overlay. Now make it smaller than upper one first. One was 0.6, so make this one 0.5. Again, make duplicate and apply it below your overlay and make it 0.4. Now click on first overlay and click on mask. Click on mirror and make it small and follow what I'm doing. Again, click on next overlay then click on mirror and take the below part. From where you left, just follow my steps. Choose next overlay and do same what I'm doing. We only made 3 duplicates and we still have image left, so make another duplicate, apply it below and make it 0.3. Then do same, click on mask, click on mirror. Choose the last remaining part. Now it should look like this. Now click on the next overlay which is 0.2 and zoom it in. Also you have to make it equal like the first overlay. There shouldn't be any difference between both. After that, add to keyframe 1 at start and 1 at end. At last keyframe, zoom it out until it fit frame. Click on Graph and choose Rebound Out. It should look like this. Now click on First Overlay which is 0.6. Click on Animation and choose Rock Horizontally and make sure to make it 0.1. If you don't have Pro version then choose Swing Bottom and make it 0.1. Now choose Rock Horizontally for 3 remaining clips and make sure to make it 0.1. Look, it should come like this. Now place the white line at the start of first overlay, then click on Effects, go to Section Glitch and choose Multicolored Glitch. Make its speed 90 and intensity 35. If you don't have Pro, then from Nightclub, choose White Flash and make its speed 25. Make it as short as you can. Make sure Affected is applied to the start of this red line. Now click on Objects and choose the second object of Overlay 1. With the help of this white line, you can check where the first overlay appears on the exact point. Place this effect. Make duplicate of this effect and then check where second overlay appears and on the same point, place this effect. Don't forget to click on Effect, then on Object and change the object to second overlay. Then again make duplicate, check where third overlay appears, place the effect on same point and change the object to third overlay. Do the same for fourth overlay. Now it should look like this. Now at the start of next clip, click on Effect and Add Oblique Blur. Make it as short as you can. Apply it at the start of clip and add two keyframes, one at start and one at end. On the first keyframe, make the blur 100 and on the last keyframe, make the blur and rotate both 0. Now click on Object and choose All Video. Make duplicate of it and apply it 3 times, including this one. Now again click on Effects and Search Shake and click on it. Make its speed 80 and intensity 30. Make it as short as you can and apply it at the start of clip. For better results, apply it 2 times. Now click on Overlay and add in white image and zoom it full. Click on Splice and choose Overlay. Check where the blur effect ends. On the same point, make a split. Its length should be equal to oblique blur. Add 2 keyframes, one at start and one at the end. At the last keyframe, make the overlay 0. Apply it 2 times. Now do these same steps for all effects. I have already did it because it takes too much time. You can just copy and paste the effects, which you applied it once, so you don't have to adjust it again and again. Same goes to white image overlay. You just have to do the cutout overlays part. And you are done. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, then ask in comments. Till then, stay safe. Love from Estella.